Today I'm going to show you how you can upload more than one design to combine into one file without using your software. Okay, you want to have your panel in your edit mode, and this is a Bi mirror machine. And I know Bi have done some upgrades to some of their panels, but if you have the Bi mirror machine, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, you will just select this icon here, and then right here is a double icon. It looks like a flower and it has a plus in the middle, so you would just click that. Then you will select your files. So I'm going to select 4 designs. Okay, I've got my 4 designs selected. Then I'm going to hit OK. Then it's going to take you to this panel here. So now on this panel is where it's going to combine your designs. And this over here will allow you to adjust your designs within this area here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if I just upload it like this. If I hit OK, they're all going to be on top of each other like this. So you would need to go in here and make your adjustments to move your files around. So to make it move to your left, you will put a negative number in here. If you want it to go to the right, then you will put a positive number in here. So this is going to move it either left or right. And this panel right here moves it up or down. And you will do the same thing. It's going to be a positive number if you want it to move up, and a negative number if you want it to move down. So I'm going to move this one first. So this is going to be a negative number. So I'm just going to hit this plus and minus. But I'm going to put my number in. Okay, so that's a negative. And then I also want it to move down. So this is going to move that one down. So see how it moved it? So then all I would do is just do the same thing for all these others. So I want this one to move over. So let's see. And then I want this one to go up. So you just have to play around with your numbers to get it how you want it to be. Okay, see how that moved there? And the next one I'm going to do is this goatee. So because I want it to go up and I want it to go over, so I'm going to, this is going to be a positive number. Okay, and that moved it up. And I can either leave this one here or move it down. And I think I'll move it down a little because those are touching. So I'm just going to move it down just a little. Or either I'll move this one up some more. Let's change that number. Okay. So this is how it would look. But you can just play around with it to get it however you want it to be whenever it's stitched out. So this will be like an example. If I wanted to do some patches, I would just put these on here. But you can also combine files to make one file such as if you wanted a word and you wanted to put a picture with the word, you could do that, and then you would just arrange it in here however you wanted it to stitch out. So once you've gotten everything the way you would like it to be, then you would just hit this right here to save it. Okay, so here's the design. So now all I would do is select it and upload it. So here's the design.